Navigating the H1B transfer process. Changing your H1B employer immediately after arriving in the US involves a process known as an H1B transfer. Here's how you can go about it. 1. Secure a job offer with the new employer. Before initiating the transfer, find a new employer willing to sponsor your H1B visa. Make sure the job role qualifies as a specialty occupation under H1B visa requirements. 2. Prepare documentation. Your new employer will need the following documents to initiate the H1B transfer. Your current H1B approval notice, Form I-797. A copy of your H1B visa stamp and your passport. A copy of your I-94, usually issued upon arrival in the U.S. Copies of your academic qualifications, degrees, transcripts. Employment verification letter from your current employer, if available. Copies of recent pay stubs or bank statements showing salary deposits, to demonstrate current H1B status compliance. 3. File the H1B Transfer Petition. The new employer must file a Labor Condition Application, LCA, with the Department of Labor. This ensures the new role meets wage and work condition requirements. Once the LCA is approved, the employer files an H1B Transfer Petition, Form I-129, with USCIS. 4. Begin working upon receipt of transfer receipt. You can start working with the new employer as soon as USCIS issues a receipt notice for the H1B transfer petition, if you are currently in valid H1B status. You do not need to wait for the transfer approval, but this comes with some risks if the petition is later denied. 5. Notify your current employer. While not legally required, it's professional to give notice. Avoid burning bridges as it may impact future reference checks or legal queries. Important points to note. Grace period. If you leave your current employer, you have a 60-day grace period to find a new employer and file an H1B transfer petition. Bridge employment. Ensure continuous employment and valid status while transitioning. Non-compete agreements. Check if your current employer has imposed any non-compete clauses that might restrict working for certain employers or industries. Seek legal assistance. Due to the complexity and legal nature of the H1B process, it's advisable to consult with an immigration attorney to ensure compliance with USCIS regulations and avoid any potential pitfalls. For more, please visit atechlook.com.